Okay, here they are asking something about the VA characteristics of a semiconductor device. But the moment I see this, I know it's something to do with the solar cells. Okay, so let us quickly go through some basics of solar cell. So I'm sure all of you have seen some solar cells on the terrace. So what happens is, we have a PN junction diode, and when the light falls here near the junction, some free electrons are released. And these electrons, because of this high electric field, they will get accumulated on this side. So, so listen carefully. So as electrons are coming over here, the electrons will get accumulated over here. Which means if electrons have come on this side, I would call this side as plus, this side is minus. So we have generated a voltage. So that means voltage generated. However, carefully understand that there is no current right now because I have not connected the wire outside. So since voltage is generated here, right? So here, this is not forward bias or reverse bias because we are not providing the current. We are actually generating the current because, as you know, solar cells are generating voltage and current. So the moment I connect this, what happens is the electrons from here will start flowing over here. It will rejoin with the holes over here. The holes is what we call it as plus. So that means there is some recombination of holes and electrons and hole. So when this happens, you see you'll be losing some charges, which means the voltage drops. So that means the characteristic curve will look as so here this is like open circuit. So that means the voltage is maximum, current is 0. So that is this situation. Here what happens is, let's call this as B. So when the current is maximum, all the charges will be recombining with this holes, which means there is no charge, which means the voltage will be 0. So this is voltage and this is current. So voltage 0 means somewhere here and current is maximum. And that's why you get a curve something like this. And why are we drawing it in the fourth quadrant? Because as I told you, this is not forward bias or reverse bias. We are not giving current, we are getting current. So for that reason, we show it in the fourth quadrant. We don't show it in the first or third quadrant. So that means this is the closed circuit. So V is equal to 0, I is maximum. So that's a VI characteristic of solar cell. So which means your choice will be this one. Point A represents open circuit voltage and point B short circuit current. All the other things does not make sense. So I think this will be the correct answer.